Oh, 125, good. Oh, good, lots of noise. Hey, actually got a 125 at last. Here we go. Mother Maywin being helped across the track by the platform guard bloke, station master.
That's quite kind of the way to do that.
And this is Dawlish, by the way. And that ahead of you is a bit of track that fell into the sea the other year.
I can't see a train behind.
Look, she's even got accompanying music.
Yeah,
Oh, isn't that sweet?
Oh.
Is that normal? Where'd that music come from? Oh, that gets stuck in the rails. Clunk, clunk. You see how wide the track is compared with her wheels. There we go. How about that then? Immortalised. Special attention. Here she comes. Da, da, da.
I don't think she knows we're up here, does she?
No. Mum!
No.
No, she's deaf as a post. Right, that'll do then. Stop the video. That was good, that. Show a train that come the other way. Oh, there goes the train over there. See it going round the mountain? I'm going round the mountain. You're coming round the mountain when she comes. There it goes, under another tunnel. Disappearing. I'll wait for it to disappear in the distance.
Music is about. Was that part of it?
Yeah, it's a typical railway song, I think. There we go. Oh, we've got an ice cream van now. Where's that coming from?
No, I think